All right, welcome back to Dr. Podcast. Today, we are diving into something unusual. You ready for this, Jamie?
I was born ready. What's on the menu today?
Okay, so we usually talk about global pop stars like Rosé or Bruno Mars, right? Real people, real charts. But today, we're looking at a girl group that technically doesn't exist.
Wait, what? Doesn't exist? Are we talking about AI idols?
Not exactly. We're talking about Huntrix, the K-pop group from the animated movie K-pop Demon Hunters, and specifically their massive hit song, Golden.
Oh, I know this song. It's everywhere on TikTok. Gonna be golden, right?
Exactly, that's the one.
But hold on, it's from a cartoon? It sounds like a legitimate Billboard hit.
That's the fascinating part. It is a hit. It's what we call a crossover success, a fictional song that became a real-world anthem. And today, we're going to break down the lyrics to see what makes it so powerful for learning English.
I'm curious. Usually movie songs are just movie songs. Why is this one special?
Well, if you look at the structure, Golden serves a very specific purpose in musical theater. It's called an I Want song.
An I want song? Like, I want candy?
No, more like part of your world from The Little Mermaid. It's that moment in the story where the main character sings about their deepest desire. In the movie, the lead singer, Rumi, is struggling with her identity. She's half human, half demon.
Whoa. Heavy. So she's hiding who she is.
Precisely. And that brings us to our first key English phrase. Let's look at the lyrics. In the pre-chorus, Rumi sings, "I'm done hiding, now I'm shining."
I'm done hiding. We use that a lot, don't we?
We do. The phrase, "I'm done" plus "ing" is super useful. It means you have completely finished doing something, or you've decided to stop doing it forever.
Like, I'm done waiting?
Exactly. Or I'm done worrying about what people think. It's a declaration of resolution. Rumi is saying she is finished with living in the shadows.
That's powerful. It's not just, I stopped hiding. It's like an attitude.
Right. And then she follows it up with this line, "I was the queen that I'm meant to be."
Ooh, meant to be. That sounds romantic.
It can be. But here, meant to be talks about destiny or purpose. It means born to become. She's realizing her true potential.
So, Dr. P, can I say I am meant to be a podcast host?
I think you definitely are. It fits you perfectly. Now, let's get a bit deeper. There's a line in the first verse. I lived 2 lives, tried to play both sides.
Play both sides. That sounds tricky. What does that mean exactly?
To play both sides is an idiom. It means trying to support 2 opposing groups at the same time, usually to gain an advantage or simply to survive.
Ah, like being a double agent?
Exactly. In the movie context, Rumi is a demon hunter and part demon. She's trying to fit into both worlds, but failing at both.
Man, that's stressful. No wonder she wants to be golden.
Right? And I think that's why this song resonates with so many people, not just kids. We all feel like we're playing both sides sometimes, maybe between work and family or different friend groups.
That makes so much sense. We're all just trying to find our own place, just like the lyrics say. So, Dr. P, besides the English lesson, why did this blow up? The Wikipedia article mentions something about the golden honeymoon.
Yes, you did your homework. Yes, in the movie lore, the golden honeymoon is this magical barrier. But in the real world, the song became a viral sensation because it blends K-pop energy with that Broadway storytelling style.
It's like the perfect mix. Catchy, but meaningful.
Exactly. And notice the production. It starts with a simple piano, very vulnerable, and builds up to this massive, explosive pop chorus. It mirrors the meaning of the word golden here. It's not just its color. It represents being invincible, glowing, and confident.
So when we sing, gonna be golden, we're manifesting that confidence.
Spot on. It's an affirmation.
So, Dr. P, what's the biggest takeaway for our listeners today?
Well, first, I learned that I'm meant to be here. And second, that learning English through songs like this isn't just about vocabulary. It's about understanding the emotion behind the words.
Beautifully said. Remember, language is about connection. Whether you're a ghost hiding in the shadows or shining like you're born to be, the words you choose matter.
And if you want to feel confident, just blast this song in your car. Works every time.
It really does.
All right, that's it for our deep dive into Golden. Don't forget to check the show notes for the vocabulary list. Meant to be, done hiding, and play both sides.
Thanks for listening. Stay golden, everyone.
See you next time.